Welcome to Merkaba Chakras, where we talk Buddhism in the fifth dimension.
Welcome to another podcast episode of Merkaba Chakras. I'm your host, Vaughn Galt, and today we talk about nanoparticles in modern medicine and how that affects our overall health, along with talking about the children of New Earth and how to raise them with optimal health with Dr. Edward Group. Now, Dr. Group and this interview in full is non-censored, so it will be on all the other video sharing platforms. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please go to the show description and click on any of those other free speech platforms, and we will see you there. This is a must watch episode.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Merkaba Chakras, where we talk Buddhism in the fifth dimension. For more information about today's guest, please go to the show description. For more information about Vaughn's metaphysical work, please go to merkabachakras.com. The views expressed today are for entertainment purposes and do not necessarily reflect the views of the host or replace any medical or legal advice. Don't forget to subscribe for more interviews about the fifth dimension. Until we meet again, blessings.